So, you've got your eye on a Tesla, right? Maybe you're already a proud owner. But have you ever wondered, can I actually sell my Tesla back to Tesla? It's a question that pops up a lot, and for good reason. Teslas are a hot property, and the idea of a direct buyback from the manufacturers sounds pretty appealing. But is it actually possible? Let's dive in. First things first, Tesla is undoubtedly revolutionizing the automotive industry. With its sleek designs, cutting-edge technology, and a loyal fan base, it's no wonder they've captured the world's attention. But, as with any big-name brand, there are always questions and misconceptions floating around. Now, you might think, Tesla is a forward-thinking company, they must have a buyback program, right? Well, hold that thought. While it would be convenient, the reality is a bit different. Tesla doesn't operate a traditional buyback program like you might see with other car manufacturers. Instead, Tesla focuses on trade-ins. This means you can exchange your current Tesla for credit towards a new one. It's a system designed to keep customers within the Tesla ecosystem. While this might be great for Tesla, it doesn't necessarily offer the best deal for you. So, what are your options if you want to sell your Tesla? Well, the used car market is booming, especially for electric vehicles. This means you could potentially get a good price by selling your Tesla privately. But, be prepared for the hassle of dealing with potential buyers, test drives, and paperwork. Another option is to sell to a dealership. Many dealerships are eager to get their hands on Tesla models due to high demand. However, expect them to offer a lower price compared to what you might get in a private sale. There are also specialized companies that buy used Teslas. These companies often offer competitive prices and a hassle-free selling process. Research your options carefully to find the best deal. Now, let's talk about the value of your Tesla. Factors like the model, year, mileage, and condition will significantly impact its resale value. Additional features like autopilot or full self-driving can also boost the price. It's important to accurately assess your Tesla's value before selling. You can use online valuation tools, check recent sales of similar models, and consider getting a professional appraisal. Remember, the electric vehicle market is constantly changing. New models are being released, and battery technology is improving. These factors can influence the resale value of your Tesla. So, while Tesla doesn't have a traditional buyback program, there are still ways to sell your Tesla and get a good return on your investment. Weigh your options carefully, consider the market conditions, and choose the method that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.